Bali. 1. Tirta Ganga Temple. Begin your Bali adventure at Tirta Ganga Temple, located in the northern part of the island. This stunning site features a large koi fish pond and exquisite Balinese art pieces. The temple's serene atmosphere and intricate carvings offer a deep dive into Balinese culture. You can opt for a private guide to enhance your experience or explore on your own. The admission fee is 50,000 Indonesian rupiah per person, roughly $3.25. 2. Monkey Forest. Head to the Monkey Forest in Ubud, an iconic attraction known for its playful and sometimes feisty macaques. Be prepared for close encounters as the monkeys might try to grab your belongings, such as hats or phones. The entry fee is 50,000 Indonesian rupiah per person, about $3.50, and 40,000 Indonesian rupiah for children. Always exercise caution when interacting with these animals. 3. Beach clubs. Bali's beach clubs are perfect for those looking to enjoy the sun, sea, and vibrant social scene. Popular clubs include Potato Head Beach Club, Atlas, and Finn's Beach Club, primarily located in Canggu, Seminayak, or Uluwatu. Each club has its own atmosphere and amenities, and entry fees can vary, so it's a good idea to check online for the latest details. Some may have free entry, while others might charge a cover fee. 4. Amazing food. Bali is a culinary paradise with a wide range of options beyond traditional Balinese and Indonesian cuisine. Enjoy fresh seafood such as crab, lobster, and white snapper, or try local favorites like nasi goreng and mie goreng. Street food is abundant, offering treats like mango sticky rice and fried banana. For those craving international flavors, Bali also has Asian fusion and Western dining options. 5. Tigalalong Rice Terrace. The Tigalalong Rice Terrace is a must-visit for its breathtaking views and Instagram-worthy swings. Wander through the lush terraces, explore the scenic gorge, and observe local rice farmers in action. The entrance fee is 15,000 Indonesian rupiah per person and 5,000 rupiah per car. This area provides a unique opportunity to see traditional rice farming practices up close. 6. Tanah Lot Temple. Discover Tanah Lot Temple, perched on a rock formation just off the coast of Bali. It's a significant site for Hindu pilgrims. To reach the temple, you'll cross a shallow waterway, so wearing flip-flops or sandals is advisable. The entrance fee is around 60,000 Indonesian rupiah, about $4.25. Sunset is an ideal time to visit for stunning views and photographs. 7. Shopping. Bali's shopping scene offers a range of options, from clothes and sarongs to unique souvenirs and local art. Visit local markets and vendors for better prices and authentic finds. Tattoo parlors are prevalent, and shopping at local stalls helps support the local economy. Expect to pay around $5 for a shirt or hat, with even cheaper options available. 8. Teganungan Waterfall. Teganungan Waterfall is a beautiful natural attraction with an entrance fee of 15,000 Indonesian rupiah per person, about $1. There is also a 5,000 Indonesian rupiah fee for parking. The waterfall is particularly impressive during the rainy season, but be cautious of strong currents and potential flash floods. Swimming is allowed, and there is a small lagoon created by damming the river. 9. Surfing. Bali is renowned for its surfing opportunities, making it an excellent destination for both beginners and experienced surfers. Surf lessons start at around $10 per session. For experienced surfers, the waves at Uluwatu offer a thrilling challenge. Whether you're new to surfing or an avid enthusiast, Bali's surf spots cater to all skill levels. 10. Tirta Empul Temple. Visit Tirta Empul Temple, famous for its holy spring where visitors can partake in traditional water blessings. The entrance fee is 50,000 Indonesian rupiah, or about $3.50. Ensure you adhere to the dress code, which requires wearing a traditional Balinese sarong. You can choose to participate in the water bathing ceremony or simply explore the temple grounds. 11. Beach Day. Bali's beaches offer a perfect setting for relaxation. Whether you choose to unwind at beaches in Canggu, Seminayak, Uluwatu, or Nusa Dua, you'll find opportunities to chill out and enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Renting an umbrella and chairs generally costs around $3.50 per hour. Seminayak and Uluwatu are recommended for their more pleasant beach experiences, while Kuta's beaches can be less appealing due to driftwood. 12. Garuda Visnu Kenkana Cultural Park. Explore Garuda Visnu Kenkana Cultural Park, home to one of the world's tallest statues. The statue, standing at over 121 meters, is a major attraction in the park, which also features various cultural and artistic displays. Admission details may vary, so check ahead. The park is known for its futuristic design and cultural significance. 13. Banyamala Twin Waterfalls. Visit Banyamala Twin Waterfalls, a picturesque and tranquil spot in northern Bali. Surrounded by lush jungle, this waterfall offers a serene escape. A 10 to 15-minute hike is necessary to reach the falls. Local moped rides are available if you prefer not to hike. This waterfall is ideal for those looking to experience a natural paradise. 14. Resort Hangouts. Consider staying at one of Bali's many resorts, with options ranging from budget-friendly bungalows to luxury hotels. Prices start around $35 per night for a beachfront bungalow and can go up significantly for high-end chain hotels. Resorts typically offer amenities such as pools, bars, and restaurants, making them a great option for relaxation and leisure. 15. Pandawa Beach. Pandawa Beach is known for its white sand and impressive waves. Though it is becoming more popular with the addition of restaurants and boardwalks, it remains a beautiful spot for relaxation. Enjoy the clear waters and scenic cliffs as you spend a few hours lounging or exploring the area. 16. Ulan Danu Baratan Temple. Ulan Danu Baratan Temple is a picturesque site located by Lake Baratan, near a volcano. The temple's scenic backdrop and botanical garden make it a popular spot for visitors. The entrance fee is around 50,000 Indonesian rupiah, and the drive from Canggu takes approximately 2.5 to 3 hours. Plan for additional activities in the northern part of Bali to make the most of your visit. 17. Padang Padang Beach. Padang Padang Beach offers a more secluded experience compared to other Bali beaches. Accessible via a cave system, it's a favorite among surfers and those seeking a tranquil spot. The walk down to the beach is easy, but the climb back up can be strenuous, so consider this if you have mobility issues. 18. Handara Gate. Handara Gate is a famous Instagram spot known for its dramatic entrance. While the gate itself is primarily a photo opportunity, it's worth visiting for a memorable picture. It's a popular spot for capturing Bali's scenic beauty. 19. Pura Penataran Agung Lempuyong. Visit Pura Penataran Agung Lempuyong, situated near Mount Agung. Reaching the temple requires a taxi ride and a hike up the mountain. The temple offers stunning views, but be prepared for potentially rainy weather. It's advisable to visit on a clear day if possible. 20. Nusa Dua. Nusa Dua is a luxurious destination favored by honeymooners and those seeking upscale experiences. It hosts the G20 summit at the Westin and offers beautiful beaches and high-end amenities. The area also features other islands, gardens, and secluded beaches for a tranquil escape. 21. Watch a sunset. Bali's sunsets are renowned for their breathtaking beauty. Find a spot in Canggu, Seminayak, or Uluwatu to enjoy the vibrant colors of the setting sun. Whether you're at the beach or in the highlands, the sunsets in Bali provide a spectacular visual experience. 22. Fire Show. Experience a traditional fire show, a popular evening activity in Bali. These shows feature dramatic performances and cultural displays. They are held at various locations including Uluwatu and Batu Bulan, with tickets typically costing around 100,000 Indonesian rupiah. The shows offer a fascinating glimpse into Balinese culture and artistry. Thank you for exploring Bali with us. We hope this guide helps you make the most of your visit to this beautiful island.